Overhead costs are the expenses you incur from running your company and maintaining its day-to-day operations. It can be fixed costs like rent, mortgages, software subscriptions, and taxes. Variable costs, such as office supplies, marketing budget, and shipping. And semi-variable costs like electricity, phone bills, and vehicle expenses. Without proper cost controls, these overhead expenses can reduce your net profit margin. To increase your profits and maintain strong financial health, you must find ways to reduce overhead costs with minimum impact to the quality of your daily operations. Here are 5 tips to do that. Number 1. Adopt eco-friendly measures at work to lower your utility bills and office supplies costs. Some of the steps you can take include using energy-efficient appliances and upgrading your outdated equipment. You can also go paperless by practicing online file sharing and using email and online messaging apps when submitting documents. Number 2. Improve your processes. Inefficient processes can result in a significant waste of resources. To address this, analyze your existing processes and make sure that your employees are well guided on new workflows and tools you plan to implement. Another way to reduce your overhead costs is to consider cutting back on your office rent, especially when the majority of your operational processes can be completed remotely. Aside from reducing the amount you pay for your office space, doing this can also lower your overall utility bills since most of your employees are working at home. So, how do you cut back on office rent? Some of the steps you can do include creating a virtual office and adopting a hybrid or remote work arrangement to downscale the office space that serves as your central location. Next, try to reduce your staffing costs. If your company experiences lean months or slow periods, you can look at reducing your staffing costs to lessen the overhead expenses associated with having employees, such as wages, benefits, taxes. But what can you do to make sure that work is still done? Instead of hiring full-time employees, you can try to outsource or hire freelancers instead. By choosing any of these 2 options, you'll have the option to pay only for the actual services you need and when you need them. And for our last tip, don't forget to write off your tax-deductible expenses to reduce your payables. To ensure that you're still paying the right amount of tax and avoid possible disputes later, you can work with a tax accountant in determining what you can claim and how you can claim them. Do you want to reduce overhead costs by outsourcing? D&V Philippines is at your service. Contact us today to learn more about our services or download our free outsourcing guide. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and ring the bell for more content. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.